Okay, now we will discuss about single level inheritance. So single level inheritance occurs when only two classes are involved in the hierarchy. If only two classes are involved in the hierarchy, then it will be called as single level inheritance. So one will be the parent class, which is the super class. The next one will be the child class. Extended class will be the child class. So whatever the properties, fields, methods are there in the parent class, that will be extended to child class also. Okay, again, child class also will have some extra properties and extra methods. So example, animal is a superclass with general properties. What animal will have properties like? It will have like species name will be there. Species name is the one property. So I will write like string species. I will write that. That is one property. Then I will write, so animal will have some clause. Okay, eagle also has some clause. So animal has some clause. So that also one property. So tiger, lion, all this thing will have some clause. In one paw, it will have five clause. So I will write int clause. Okay. Then animal is the superclass. The Simba is the subclass. So Simba means lion, guys. Okay, for making interesting, I am writing Simba. So Simba will inherit the properties and methods of animal. So while you are writing inheritance, at the time you have to think that you have to ask yourself, lion is what? So is a what you have to ask. So at the time you will get, okay, lion is a animal. At that time you will use inheritance. So here only two classes are involved. So for that reason, this is called single level inheritance. Okay. In the next part will be the program. Okay. Now we will see one program of simple inheritance. Okay. I will create one class. Then I will write main method. Okay. One more class I will create like animal. So animal, what properties animal will have? It will have properties like species, and it will have properties like int class. Okay. Eagle also has some class. Okay. So for this I will write constructor public. This species species. Okay. Then I will write some method like void. What animal does? Animal will hunt. So species will hunt. Void rest. After hunting, what that animal will do? It will take some rest. Due to tiredness, species okay, will take rest. It will take some rest due to lot of running. attack, hunting, all this thing, it will take some rest. So next class is the Simba. So here you need to write, you need to use extends keyword. Okay, this extends keyword helps us to inherit these properties, this method into this class. Okay, so here uh, here also we will write some property like instance variable string department. Then we'll write constructor for this Simba. Then all the variables, in the parameter you need to pass. Okay, we'll use super keyword to we will use super keyword to call this constructor, super class constructor. So super class constructor has two instance variable. So to initialize that instance variable, we will pass that variable only. No need to write data type. Okay. Then with the help of this keyword, we will initialize this variable. This will initialize this variable. This dot department equal to department. Okay. So constructor part over. Then we will write some method like, so what Simba did in that movie, fighting. So fight one. So first fight with butterfly, but hero lost it. So this is the first fight. Second fight, fight two. Yeah. Second fight uh, with Nala, girlfriend. Okay, but hero lost it. Hero lost it, but won the heart of Nala, won the heart of girlfriend. Okay, avoid fight three. Third fight with the villain Scar. At last, our hero won the fight and became king of that land. Okay, little bit long it became, no problem. Okay, then we will create object for this classes. So I will create object for this one, not this one, because with this one I can call, this will have these things also, these properties and methods. So I will create method for object for Simba. Simba. Simba s1 equal to new Simba, will call the constructor. So what is the species? Species name is lion. Class, how many class lion will have? It will have 18 claws. Front side, in the front hand it will have two hands. In that it will have 10 claws. Back side it will have 4 claws in each leg. Okay. So our department is king. Okay, department is king. Okay, using this object s1, we will call and method method this one fight fight fight. Okay, okay, small program only. Okay, so what just I created? So animal class is the super class. So animal class is the super class. So super class has some properties like string spaces and int class. Okay, this is the constructor. This is the constructor which is used to initialize our instance variable. Okay, and this is the method. Okay, so these are the one method. So here I created one more class called as Simba. So Simba, what Simba will do? Simba extend this super class. So all the features in the super class, all the properties, all the method will come to Simba also. Okay, here I created one more property in Simba. Okay, this is the extra property of this class. Okay, this also will have this property. Okay, this property also Simba will have. With that, this has this extra property. Okay, similarly like that, Simba will have this method also. Okay, and without, these are the extra method. Okay, so this is the constructor. So here what is the constructor? So here, so this class has this property also. So we need to initialize that also. For that reason, I passed this parameter. Okay, so this one is the extra parameter. Okay, so we are not declaring that. Due to that, I will call super. The super, from here it will go to here. Okay, so this one, this will so this is there in the current class. Due to that, not required. Okay, so here I created object for subclass. Okay, there I passed this parameter or argument. So from here it will go to here. Okay, after that, for this initialization, from here it will go here. So okay, this will be initialized, then department will be initialized. Okay, then using this reference variable, local reference variable, I am calling these methods. Okay, using s1 I am calling this method and this methods also. Okay, okay, lion will hunt. Due to tiredness, lion will take rest. First fight with the butterfly, but hero lost it. Second with fight with Nala girlfriend, hero lost it, won the heart. So third fight with the villain Scar. So this is the story about Simba also. And here you can put some more instance variable, like what animal will eat. It will eat, so it will eat some meat. Okay, it will eat some meat. So at that time you have to write here carnivorous animal. Okay, here you can eat meat, so Simba is a carnivorous animal, so it will extend carnivorous animal. Like that also you can create. Okay, I hope you understood.